Hey guys, welcome to another informative YouTube video on my channel. If you're new to my channel, please give me a subscribe, and if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Hope you enjoy. In this video we'll be talking about coffee and lemon for weight loss. Does it work? I'll give you enough details that you will be able to decide for yourself, and every information I provide here is based on research and actual evidence. Hope you enjoy. Now let's look at the positives of the lemon. Lemon is a vibrant fruit from a flowering plant family. This bright yellow citrus fruit possesses a distinctive sour taste due to its richness in citric acid. The lemon's unique flavor makes it a popular ingredient in drinks, desserts, and meals. Almost all part of a lemon can be used in cooking and cleaning. Lemons are healthy. They are also a great source of vitamin C and antioxidants. They help prevent kidney stone and improve digestive health. That's lemon for you. Let's look at the positives of the coffee. When people think of coffee, they usually think of its ability to provide an energy boost. However, according to some research, it can also offer some other important health benefits, such as a lower risk of liver cancer, type 2 diabetes, and heart failure. So yes, coffee does help boost your energy levels. They are also high in antioxidants. They are also associated with the reduced risk of various diseases. Let's look at the first claim. It relieves diarrhea. Okay, there is no evidence out there to support that lemon relieves diarrhea. Coffee actually stimulates your colon, which increases your need to go to the toilet more. Hence, this would be false. Next claim. Coffee and lemon. It offers skincare benefits. Research suggests that coffee and lemon does offer skincare benefits. So, yes, it's true. Lemon has vitamin E content as well. Lemon and coffee, you just don't need to consume them together to get the result. You will get the same result if you consume them separately. Another claim that says that it eases headache. However, research suggests that caffeine amplifies the effects of medications used for migraine. It acts as a reliever or even worsened headaches. However, if it does help with headache, it would be from the coffee and not because of the lemon and coffee mixture. Hence, the mixture of coffee and lemon would not relieve headache. False. Most popular claim from this coffee and lemon mixture would be that it melts off fat. The only way to get off unwanted fat is by consuming fewer calories or burning more of them. Thus, this claim is false. However, studies have shown that coffee, which has caffeine, can boost fat activity, causing an increase in metabolic rate, upping your burn calories, which leads to weight loss. So the weight loss would be linked to coffee and not the mixture of coffee and lemon. Now for the claim that people said they have lost weight. They are in a calorie deficit. Most weight from the first month is water weight. They would shed water weight within the first month, hence why people would always say they lost weight with it. And you still need to be in a calorie deficit to lose weight. Probably from the cause that they think they're on a diet and now more conscious of what they're consuming, and most likely consuming less, hence putting them in a calorie deficit to lose weight in general. You would usually see videos maybe on TikTok and YouTube with people showing they have lost weight, and even seeing verified doctors, verified profiles showing that and approving the results that people are claiming that they have lost weight with it. But there's a reason for that. If you go deeper into their profile, they're actually selling a product to gain a commission. So I would rate it as completely false. The combination does not work. So bottom line of the coffee and lemon, it does not melt off fat. You do not need to use them together. You can use them separately to enjoy the benefits. Coffee and lemon offer a wide range of benefits because of their wide range of antioxidants, but there is no evidence to support they melt fat away. Just use them separately to enjoy the benefits. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you never subscribed, please subscribe below. Hope you enjoy, and see you next time.